Hello everyone and welcome. It's a pleasure to have you with us today as we take a look at one of our industrial boiler systems. My name is Hugh, representing DIVI Group. Today I will introduce a 5-ton per hour Sawdust Fired steam boiler system. This project was completed about 4 years ago, and we're revisiting it today to check in with the client and share a detailed overview with you. Let's start with an overall view. This is the complete boiler system installed at Duasan Food Factory in Ben Tre, Vietnam. In this video, I will provide a general overview rather than going into deep technical details, since the core technology and processes are similar to systems we've previously introduced. Here is the combustion chamber. Above it is the main boiler body. Next to it are the Economizer, feed water heater, and the air preheater. Below is the primary air fan, which supplies oxygen for combustion. At the rear, you can see the Cyclone dust separator. There is also an ash recovery system that helps improve combustion efficiency, followed by the bag filter system. This is the backup water tank, ensuring continuous operation even when the water supply is interrupted. Next to it is the deaerator. And below is the feed water pump system. This is the chemical storage tank. This is the salt. This is the water treatment tank before supplying water to the boiler. On this side, we have the induced draft fan and a wet dust treatment system. This is a Ben Tre scrubber, which significantly reduces dust emissions before release into the environment. From the bottom view, you can clearly see the main boiler body and combustion chamber. Below is the ash recovery system, supported by an ash recirculation fan to enhance combustion efficiency. All blowdown lines are centralized into one location for easier management, similar to our other systems. After 4 years of operation, the system remains clean and in excellent condition. A secondary air fan is also installed to provide additional oxygen, helping reduce CO emissions in the exhaust gas. Let's move to the upper level. The stairways and platforms are designed for safety and ease of operation and maintenance. Here you can see the water level gauge, feed water lines, and related piping. From this position, you can observe components such as the air preheater, Cyclone, and bag filter system. The surrounding platforms allow easy and safe inspection and cleaning. At the top of the boiler, there are two safety valves, the main steam valve, temperature sensors, pressure gauges, and other monitoring instruments. Currently, the factory is in the initial startup phase, boiler drying, so the operating pressure is still low. It will increase once the system is fully operational. All maintenance and access points are designed for safety and convenience. Equipment such as silos and filtration systems are equipped with dedicated inspection doors. The main steam line runs from here to the factory, supplying steam for production. Next, we move to the fuel storage area. This is the Sawdust storage warehouse. Fuel is fed into the hopper and transported via conveyors into the combustion system. The sawdust is packed and supplied directly from nearby production areas. Finally, this is the control room. The entire system is operated via PLC, integrated with variable frequency drives for optimized performance. In this project, we use ABB inverters. The PLC system is installed inside the control cabinet, ensuring stable operation and a high level of automation. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next videos.